Behind the scenes, the insurance industry can be a really fascinating place. I'm Lisa Zelensky, I work here at the Hamilton Group, and I'm joined here today by
Angela Parraga from the Personal Lines Department.
Yay! So I brought Angela on today because I wanted to ask her a really interesting question that I found. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Because it's a pretty good one.
Okay.
Am I obligated to tell my insurance carrier if my house is haunted?
That is a very crazy question.
Yeah.
I've been asked a lot of questions, but that is pretty crazy though.
So am I obligated? Like if the weird things start happening around my house, or if I just believe my house is haunted, if I'm getting an insurance policy, do I have to disclose that?
You're not obligated to tell the insurance company that your house is haunted. No. They may think that you're crazy though if you do that.
Probably would.
But it is always that, and that is why it's so important for customers to reach out to an agency or to have an agency in between that can, answer these kind of questions, because they can be a little crazy, but it can happen. Mm-hmm. And that's why it's good to have a good policy, an all-risk policy, or a policy that will, have the endorsements that will cover you for fallen objects or a pipe that burst.
I mean, yeah, if you think about the types of things that could happen if your house were to be haunted. Right. I mean, I'm not sure why you want to live in a haunted house, but the things that would happen within a house, let's say a pipe burst, a chandelier falls from my ceiling, or the china cabinets just fly open and everything just flies all over the place. Those are actually the things that we would be insuring, basically. Okay.
So you don't have to tell the insurance company that your pipe burst and you have water damage because a ghost did it. You don't have to, just a pipe bursting, it's a cover loss. Yeah. So they will cover you for that. So you don't have to tell them that there's a ghost, per se, but
okay.
But yeah.
So that's not a question that would come up when they're wondering why all this.
Right.
Okay. So then what types of things do you have to disclose?
The types of things that I always recommend a customer at time of renewal or when they're calling is if they have upgraded their homes, if they're making an addition, if they're building a pool, if their teenager is now a licensed operator. Those sorts of things you are supposed to, and you should disclose this to your insurance company so we can properly cover you.
Gotcha. So. Makes sense to have the proper coverage.
Yes.
Even if you have a ghost in your house.
Even if you have a ghost in your house, yes.
Thank you for joining our behind the scenes Q&A. Be sure to follow us on our social media because we will be doing more videos about frequently asked questions and fun questions that we find on the web to answer for you. All right, thanks.
All right, thank you.
Bye.